Again we're back to the rudimentary drawings. As you can see with this, I've got a 2-inch pipe comes down into a P-trap and then feeds into the 3-inch line and a shower and a vent. So I've got to figure that out underneath the house and where I'm going to vent this stuff out. In case anybody's interested, this is a Diablo 2 5/8 hole saw. I really like this product quite a bit. I bought the whole set because I've got a lot of different holes to drill, but it's nice because this piece, the main drill piece, is interchangeable with the cutting head. So that's a pretty slick, design. So you don't have to keep buying different bits and everything else. You just got the whole piece to go. It's probably hard to see, but right there is a pony wall that supports the main floor. So I'm gonna have to stub that down and make a bend elbow there so I can hit the drainage. I'm gonna have to do some little bit of a tweaking on the actual elbows and all that to get that to work. But that's where the drain's gonna go, and we'll get it installed. It's just gonna take a little bit of work to get it done. Got to have a vent. It's where the stub up is coming out of the floor there. Just below it's going to be a P-trap. It's going to run this way to this bay right here, and then I'm going to have the vent because it requires a 2-inch vent for the shower as well. And so I've got to drill that hole, and then I'll go underneath the house, and we'll start working on the mechanics of how this is all going to go together. On this side, I've got the actual vent, but the problem is we've got this pony wall in the way, so I got to figure out a way to get it down to connect to that 3-inch over here. So we'll see. That's a little brain teaser for the day. That's going to present a problem. All right, so. I can't tell if that's straight or not there. right about where that pipe sits right now. So, where'd that piece go? Okay, so that's there. See, that's not gonna work. That'll be there. All right. Oh, worst comes to worst, we can always replace pipes. So let's go with that. That was kind of some of my concern is how the cold affects the glue, but everything on the direction says it should work in this temperature, so we'll see. That stuff sets up fast. All right, well, got that done. That's pretty good. That's pretty
Everything
good.
lines up.
Huh?
Everything lines up.
Everything lines up. Now we just gotta make sure shit doesn't leak when we water test it, but aside from that, I think we're pretty good.
Good deal.
All right, so for those wondering, as you come down from the shower into a P-trap and then over to a 2-inch sanitary tee that ties in to the vent above it and then down to the actual drainage. That should meet requirements of the plumbing code and get us in shape as far as shower drainage goes. And there you have it. We've got the shower plumbed in and the master bath toilet. That's pretty big. I'm pretty happy with that accomplishment. I'm going pretty slow on the plumbing, mostly because I'm learning as I'm going, and I've certainly never done it. And anyway, it's all looking pretty good. We're slowly piecing things together, and next up, I'll start working on the master vanity, the guest vanity, and then the sink for the island and the kitchen. Those are next up on the program, so stay with us as we keep going. Thanks for watching.